Hello guys, welcome to Ernest Academy YouTube channel. In this video I want to share with you step-by-step procedure on how you can claim your grass token. But before we start, please, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to get notified on our next video. Okay guys, I believe at this stage everybody already know the wallet that they connected, I mean the Solana wallet. Okay, so what you need to do is to head straight to your Phantom wallet or any Solana wallet that you connected. For me, I connected Phantom, so I'll open my Phantom wallet now. Okay guys, this is Phantom. The wallet is still loading. Now the wallet has opened. Then the first thing you need to do is to deposit Solana. Okay, you need at least $1 worth of Solana. So when you click on Solana, you click on receive, then you copy your wallet address and head straight to your exchange, maybe Bybit, OKS, Bitget, and send Solana worth of $1 or $2 or any amount at all. Then after that, you click on this global symbol at the bottom, and you enter grassfoundation.io or simply click on it if you have already searched it before. When the page opens, you click on check eligibility. Click on check eligibility again. Remember, if this is your first time, it will prompt you to connect your wallet. So to ensure quick and easy claiming, we'll have to do some settings. I'll click on the menu bar, then click on RPC endpoint and change it to quick node. Okay, then priority, I'll change priority as well from fast to ultra or turbo, anyone that works for you. So I'll close this page. Then I'll scroll down, click on claim airdrop. I'll scroll down to the end and accept their terms. I didn't have time to read all the terms. I just accept. I need my tokens. Okay guys, it's still loading. And this is it. I will have to confirm. Remember, you might experience some issue trying to claim the airdrop. You just have to do the settings that I just did earlier. You either change from turbo to ultra or to fast, or just that settings, and it will go. Many people are trying to access the website at the same time. So we have already claimed, we are successfully claimed now. You either stake it or you can now withdraw to your wallet. So let's just try staking. I'll click on staking, then I'll scroll down, enter the amount of token that I want to stake. Let's say 45. That's half of what I just claimed. Or I can click on view delegations and select the particular delegator I want to stake with. Okay, you can see the delegators there and the amount of tokens stake with them. Some have higher commission, like this one. Some has 20, 10, 5, 4. So if I want to stake, I'll go for someone or the validator that has lower commission. That is the commission they are going to take from your profit or from your reward. So I selected the one with 5%, enter 45%, but I didn't want to stake, I want to withdraw. So I simply click on the dollar icon at the bottom, and this is my grass token in my wallet, in my Phantom wallet. Okay, so the next thing is to send my grass token to Bybit or any exchange that you want to send your grass. So click on grass, then I'll click on send. Okay, so let's say I want to send it to Bybit. It's now time for address. I'll open my Bybit, click on assets, click on funding, click on search, then I'll enter grass. This grass, I'll click on it, then I'll click on deposit because I want to send grass to Bybit. So I'll select the network, grass Solana. Then this is my address. I'll copy it and go back to Phantom, enter it and send the grass token to Bybit. That is all. Then I can sell. If you want to send to Bitget or OKS or KuCoin, any exchange at all, it's the same process. Okay, so I'll enter the amount of token that I want to send, and I'll click on next, and then I will see it in my exchange. So guys, it's quite easy. Thank you for watching this video.